Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 10 sets in that exercise 10b. Now fifth question, write the members or elements of each set given below. In that first one, 3, 8, 5, 15, 12, 7. So this is the set given, you have to write the members of the set. So you can write all its members. Members you can see 3 is there, 8 is there, 5 is there, 15, then 12, 7. So these are the members of the set. Okay, or elements of the set. Now second set it is C, M, N, O, S. So what are the members of or elements of set here? You can write down that C, M, N, O, S. Okay. In data B, write the set whose elements are 2, 4, 8, 16, 64 and 128. Okay, you have to write that set. So, set, we know that we will use curly braces to represent set. So, in curly braces, you can write 2, 4, 8, 16, 64, 128. So, this is the set whose elements are 2, 4, 8, 16, 64 and 128. In that second one, 3, 5, 15, 45, 75, 90. So you can write in curly braces 3, 5, 15, 45, 75, 90. Okay. Sixth question. In that first one, write the set of letters used in the word Bhopal. So you have to write the letters used in the word Bhopal in set. In a set you have to write that. Okay. So we know we can use curly braces to denote set. We can start writing the letters in this letters used in the word Bhopal in this set. Okay. So B you can write. Next H is there. Then O is there. P is there, A, then L. So this is the set of letters used in the word Bhopal. Okay. Now in that third one, second one you can do as homework. Third one, write the set of consonants used in the word Hong Kong. So consonants only you have to write in set. Okay, consonants used in the word Hong Kong. So first H you can write. O is a vowel, so don't write that. Then N. Next G, then K, again O is coming, it is a vowel, no need to write that. N is there, then G is also there. So this much only will come in set, H, N, G, K. Okay. Next topic, representation of sets. For representing a set, the following methods are commonly used. First one, description method. Second one, roster or tabular method. Third one, rule or set builder method. So these are the three methods we will use to represent a set. Okay. First one, description method. So from the word itself, you can understand that we will write a well-defined description of the elements of a set. Okay. ഒരു സെറ്റിലുള്ള എലമെൻസിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ഒരു വെൽ ഡിഫൈൻഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ എഴുതുക. സംടൈംസ് ദ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഈസ് എൻക്ലോസ്ഡ് വിത്തിൻ ദ കേർലി ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇൻസൈഡ് കേർലി ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് വി വിൽ റൈറ്റ് that description. So for example, let us take a set of cricket players with ages between 20 years and 28 years. So in description method we will write like this. In curly braces we will write cricket players with ages between 20 years and 28 years. So a well defined description is written inside curly bracket. This is description method. Okay. Second method, it is roster or tabular method. So in this method, the elements of set under consideration are right inside a pair of curly braces and are separated by commas. We write the elements which will come in that set, we will write that by putting commas. Okay, and these elements we will separate by using commas. let us take one example. If P is the set of last 4 months of the year, so what will be the set P? We can write P equal to, in curly bracket we will write that months. Which all months will come in that set, that we will write by using commas. We will separate that elements using commas. Okay, so we know that the last 4 months of the year are September, comma, October, November, comma, December. So this is roster or tabular method. Another example, let us take if Q is the set of counting numbers less than 6, counting numbers or natural numbers less than 6. So what will be Q, set to Q equal to, inside curly bracket you can write the numbers less than 6, counting numbers less than 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this method is roster or tabular method. We will write the elements inside curly brackets, and these elements are separated by commas. Okay. Third one, rule or set builder method. In this method, actual elements of set are not listed. Rather, a belief, rule or statement or formula is written inside a pair of curly braces. So, we will not write the elements. In roster method, roster or tabular method, we will write the elements. Okay, but here we will not write the elements. Instead, what we will write is, we will write a rule or statement or formula which will denote that elements. Okay, let us take one example. If A is a set of counting numbers greater than 2. In roster or tabular method, we will write that numbers or elements which is greater than 2. That is counting numbers greater than 12. But in rule or set builder method, we will write like this. A equal to, set A equal to, in curly brackets we will write x such that, x, first we will assign a variable for that numbers, for that elements. Okay, x, let us take x, then such that, put 2 dots like this means such that, then we will write x is a counting number greater than 12. That is, in description form we will write x is a counting number greater than 12. Okay, such that, another form we can denote like this also, one line like this. Okay, so this will be read as A is the set of elements x such that x is a counting number greater than 12. This is read. We can read it like that. Okay. Exercise 10C. First one, write each of the following sets in the roster form. So roster form means we have to write the elements of the set, actual elements of the set, by separating them by commas. Okay. So first one, write the set of 5 numbers, each of which is divisible by 3. You have to write the 5 numbers which is divisible by 3. Okay, so in roster form we can write the elements in curly brackets. Okay, so first number it is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Next number it is 6, then 9, then 12, then 15. These are the 5 numbers which is divisible by 3. This is given. We write that in roster form. Okay, the elements, actual elements we write, and these elements are separated by using commas. Okay, and we use curly brackets also for representing set. Now, second one, the set of integers between -4 and 4. So, we have to write the integers between -4 and 4. So, what all integers will come between -4 and 4? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, we write that integers by separating them by commas inside curly brackets. Okay, this is roster form. Third one, set of all x such that x is a letter of the word school. So this is, question is given in rule or set builder method. Okay, we have to write that in roster form. So set of all x such that x is a letter of the word school. So what are the letters used in the word school that you have to write in a set? So S, then C, H, O, again O, no need to write, then L. So this is the roster form of that set. SCHOL. This is the set of all x such that x is a letter of the word school. School എന്ന വേർഡിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ലെറ്റേഴ്സിൻ്റെ സെറ്റ് അത് റോസ്റ്റർ ഫോമിലുള്ളതാണ് SCHOL. Okay, this we can write inside curly bracket. Elements we can separate using commas. Now fourth one, set of all x such that x is an odd number between 10 and 20. So x is an odd number between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20, which all odd numbers are coming that you can list? Okay, so 11, then 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay, so this is that set in roster form. Fifth one, vowels used in the word America. So what are the vowels used in the words America? So A, this is a vowel. M, it is not a vowel. Then E, then R is not a vowel. I is a vowel. C is not a vowel. A, we already wrote that. So A, E, I. This is the set. Okay. Now sixth one, consonants. Set of all consonants used in the word Madras. So consonants. M is a consonant, then A, it is a vowel, then D, you can take R, then S. These are the consonants used in the word Madras. This is its roster form. Okay. Second question, write each given set in the roster form. So in this question also you have to write in roster form. First one, all prime numbers between 1 and 20. So all prime numbers between 1 and 20 you can write inside curly brackets, and the elements you can separate by commas. So after 1, 2 is a prime number, then 3, then 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So these are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. You can write like this. This is roster form. Okay. In that second one, the squares of the first 4 natural numbers. So squares of first 4 natural numbers. First 4 natural numbers we know they are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the first 4 natural numbers. Their squares we have to write in the set. So squares means if we multiply that number by itself we will get its square. ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ ആ നമ്പർ വെച്ച് തന്നെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്നതാണ് സ്ക്വയേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ 1 into 1, 1. Then 2 into 2, 4. So 1 is the square of 1 is the square of 1. 4 is the square of 2. Now 3 into 3, 9 is the square of 3. 4 into 4, 16 is the square of 4. So that squares we need to write in the set. So 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the squares of first 4 natural numbers. Okay. Now in that ninth one, last one, single digit numbers that are perfect squares as well. So here you can see perfect squares means these numbers 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25. These numbers etc. 25, then 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49, etc. Such numbers, these are called perfect squares. Okay, these numbers are called perfect squares. We have to write single digit numbers that are perfect squares as well. So single digit, 1 digit number that are perfect squares we have to write in set. So we know that 1, this is single digit number, then 4, then 9. 16 onwards it is 2-digit number, so we can take up to 9 only. 1, 4, 9. Okay, so this is the set of single digit number that are perfect squares as well. 1, 4, 9. Okay. Remaining problems of question number 2 you can do as homework. Now third question, write each given set in the set builder form. Set builder form, you have to write a rule or a formula or a statement that denotes the elements of the set. Okay. So first one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the set given. We know that these are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. Okay. They are natural numbers also. So 0 is not included there. So we can write it like this. Set of all x. First write a variable x such that, put 2 dots, x is an even natural numbers less than, it is that numbers, all numbers are less than 12. Okay, we can write like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are even numbers, these are natural numbers, and these are less than 12. So we can write like this. Set of all x such that x is an even natural numbers less than 12. Okay, if we write like this, even numbers less than 12 means 0 will come. That's why we write like this, even natural numbers. Okay, even numbers less than 12 എന്ന് എഴുതിയാണ്. അതിൽ 0 ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ആയിട്ട് വരും. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. അപ്പോൾ 0, it is not given in the set. That's why we write like this, even natural numbers less than 12. Okay. Now in that second one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So by seeing the numbers itself, you can understand that they are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are prime numbers. Okay, so you can write like this. Set of all x such that x is a prime number less than which number? Less than 12 you can write. Less than 12. Okay, the greater number in that set is 11. So you can choose the next number, 12. X, set of all x such that x is a prime number less than 12. Okay. Next, third one, January, June, July. So these are months that we know. Okay, and these months start with the letter J. Okay, so that we can write set of all x such that x is a month whose name starts with the letter J. This is the roster form of, set builder form of that given set. Okay. Fourth one, A, E, I, O, U. So we know that they are vowels in English alphabet. So you can write like that. Set of all x such that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. Okay, so that is the set builder form of that set, A, E, I, O, U. Fifth question, Tuesday, Thursday. So we know that these are days of a week starting with the T. Okay, so you can write like this. Set of all x such that x is a day of a week starting with the T. Okay, this description you can write in your own words. Starting with T. X is a day of a week starting with a T. So in set it will come Tuesday and Thursday. Okay. Now sixth one, 1, 4, 9. Set of all 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So we know that these are perfect squares. Okay. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25. So these are perfect squares. And these are the first 5 perfect squares. Okay, so you can write like this: set of all x is such that x is a square of the first 5 natural numbers. Okay, first 5 natural numbers in the squares are 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. So you can write like this in set builder form: set of all x such that x is a square of the first 5 natural numbers. Okay, in that 7th one, in set it is given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Clearly, these numbers are natural numbers up to 30. 30 വരെയുള്ള natural numbers ആണുള്ളത്. And one more thing, these numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, these numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 are divisible by 5. So how you can write in set builder form? Set of all x such that x is a natural number up to 30 and up to 30 and divisible by 5. They are divisible. These numbers are divisible by 5 also. So both condition it should satisfy. That number elements of the set should satisfy 2 condition. That is, it should be a natural number up to 30. 30 വരയ്ക്കുള്ള ഒരു natural number ആയിരിക്കണം. And it should be divisible by 5. Okay, so in set 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, these numbers will come. Okay. 4th question, write each of the following set in roster or tabular form and also in set builder form. So in both roster form and set builder form you have to write. First one, set of all natural numbers that can divide 24 completely. So first let us write in roster form. Set of all natural numbers that can divide 24 completely. Which all natural number will divide 24 completely? That means factors of 24 you have to write. Okay, you can write natural numbers only. Write 1, then 2, 3, 4, then 6, 8, then 12, 24. So these are the natural numbers that can divide 24 completely. That means these are the factors of 24 and they are natural numbers also. Now you have to write in set builder form. Set builder form you just write that statement itself. Set of all x such that x is a natural number that can divide. From the question itself you will get this, that can divide 24 completely. This is set builder form of that set. Okay, now in that second one, set of odd numbers between 20 and 35. So in roster form, first you have to write odd numbers between 20 and 35. You have to list in this. Odd numbers after 20 it is 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, then 31, 33 and between 20 and 35. So 35 we no need to include 35. Okay, between 20 and 35. 20 ക്കും 35 നും ഇടയിലുള്ള odd numbers. So the numbers will be 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33. Okay, now you can write that in set builder form. Set builder form, set of all x such that you can write that statement. From the question itself you will get that x is a odd number between 20 and 35. Okay, that 5th one, set of all 2-digit numbers that are perfect squares as well. So the numbers should be perfect square and it should be 2-digit number. So let us see. 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, Now 5 into 5 25, 6 into 6 36, then 7 into 7 49, 8 into 8 64, 9 into 9 81, 10 into 10 100. So 3-digit number it came. So what all numbers we can take here? These are perfect squares. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. These are perfect squares. Okay. 2-digit number. Among that 2-digit numbers are 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. Okay. So you can write that in set. Roster form we are writing first. Roster form. Which all numbers will come? 16, 25, 36, then 49, 64, 81. Okay, so these are the perfect squares, 2-digit numbers that are perfect squares. Now we can write in set builder form. Set builder form, you can write like this: set of all x is such that x is a 2-digit number, that is perfect square as well. Okay, this you can write from the question. Now do the 5th question and remaining problems of 4th question as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.